Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to see about type 4 analysis, type 4 financial analysis on the basis of time horizon or the objective of analysis. So, objective of analysis, objective of that particular organization and its analysis. Fine. Yes, we'll see. Before that, previous video, we have seen about different types of financial analysis: type 1, type 2, type 3, on the basis of material used, on the basis of modulus operandi, and uh, on the basis of firm, or we can call it as an inter and intra firm analysis. In this, on the basis of time horizon or objective of analysis, on the basis of time horizon, and the financial analysis can be classified under two categories. One is short-term finance and another one is long-term finance. In the type 4 financial analysis, on the basis of time horizon, the financial analysis can be divided into two categories. One is short-term finance and short-term analysis, and another one is long-term analysis. So we'll see one by one what is short-term analysis, what is long-term analysis. So short-term analysis measures the liquidity position of your firm. When it comes to short term or a kind of operation related things, it speaks about short term. Short term analysis measures the liquidity position of your firm, short term paying capital of your firm ability to meet current obligations or the particular time period limited obligations and so on. We will be speaking about short term analysis within a year. If it is a long-term analysis, it involves the study of the firm ability to meet the interest, cost, repayment schedules of your long-term obligations, solvency, stability, and profitability. All this comes under long-term analysis. We'll see one by one what is short-term analysis and what is long-term analysis. So if I speak about short-term analysis, it speaks about working capital and the source of fund or source of finance, how much I am going to contribute, or liquidity position of the firm, how I am going to circulate. It speaks about entirely a cash flow statement. Fine. Both operating activity, financial activity, investing activity, we will be speaking about it. How much current obligations are there, whether that for a particular year, how much loan I can able to get, how much current asset I can able to meet out, current liabilities. So these will be about short-term analysis. So in short-term analysis, if I want to give suggestion, I want to give it in this terms of working capital, how much benchmark I have to keep as liquid cash, short current asset planning, current liabilities planning, liquidity position, how much cash I have to hold it, and cash inflow outflow, how it should be. Such suggestion will help to improve the short-term analysis or short-term things. So when it comes to short-term, in stock market, if you take stock market, we will be calling as an technical analysis. There will be two analysis in stock market. One is fundamental analysis and one more thing, analysis. So technical analysis will be help for short-term investor or short-term kind of analysis things. Okay, so short-term, why I am speaking about short-term analysis, when I am speaking about short-term analysis, why he is speaking about short-term investors is, if you take nearly in our India or in our country, if we are having maximum number of public companies which is in share market listed in NSE or BSE. Nearly 4,000 to 5,000 companies are listed in both NSE and BSE. So if you take those companies, their capital or kind of things will be based on the investor mindset, how they are behaving, how they are retaining the shares. Everything plays a vital role. Even companies, short-term working capital, short-term fundraising, short-term finance, Everything comes under, not only comes under the loan or something else, it comes under the capital structures, dividends, and everything. It's matters. He lost a lot in short term analysis. And if you take long term analysis, so runs that particular business, how long they are taking that particular business, whether they are diversified into some other business or not, they are running from starting till now, how much that particular company or organization performing well, whether they are having huge scope on next 20 to 30 years, how they are going to penetrate, and so on. Everything matters a lot. So long-term analysis is based on the futuristic and evolution of descriptive innovation and all other concepts is integrated into it. And long-term analysis is whether I can invest it and for a long term, or whether I can go with for a long term or short-term analysis. Long-term analysis, if it is in a investor perspective, they want to look the fundamental analysis like who is holding the company, how much shareholders by each, foreign direct investment, domestic institutional investor, retail investors, stakeholders combinations, and other things like earnings before earnings before interest and tax, earnings per share, book value, face value of the particular share. These are the factors or ratio kind of analysis helps to invest, or you can make invest in that particular company for a long time, and so on. So let me make it more simple. Short-term analysis and long-term analysis based on the time period. Short-term is within a year. Long-term is more than a year. Short-term is more specific about, more describe about you want to more look to cash inflow and outflow and balance sheet. If it is a long-term analysis, you have to look into an income statement and balance sheet, how that particular company performance and their financial stability, and how they are performing well. This is all about short-term and long-term analysis. If I show it in things, you have to focus only on balance sheet and cash flow statement as well as income statement. So let me show, so that you will be aware about what are the things you want to look into it for short-term analysis, what are the things you want to look into it when it comes for short-term finance. So I have opened Money Control, which is an official website of BBC News. Money Control is an app as well as official website of BBC News. Here I have typed Adani Energy as an share name. Now its share price is 1085, and I have opened a financial statement like income statement, balance sheet, and cash flow I am having for Adani Energy. So here, what are the if you take cash flow, it's a short-term analysis. You can able to do whether I am having cash, liquidity, or solvency is there or not. How I am going to rotate my cash. Such analysis can be done in short term. Based on that, you can arrive at. So if I take income statement is for a long term, how much net profit I am getting out of that particular company with respect to all other things. Balance sheet, it speaks about uh, the entire thing, what it's all about, what is the current asset, current liabilities, and other things. So this helps you to these financial data will help you to know about what are the things you want to do for the short term as well as long term analysis. Because if you take short term, there will be a number of ratios, financial ratios, both for short term and long term thing. So what you want to do is you want to do the appropriate analysis based on your uh, risk and return, what you want to take out of it. Accordingly, you have to take the option and you have to Let me give few examples of long-term and short-term analysis so that you will be doing those things for short-term and long-term analysis. These are the few short-term and long-term analysis. So if you take short-term analysis, working capital position analysis, liquidity position, return analysis, profitability analysis, activity analysis. We can use both cash flow statement, income statement, as well as balance sheet. So working capital position is from balance sheet, liquidity analysis from cash flow statement, return analysis from income statement, profitability from income statement, activity analysis from cash flow statement. These analysis can be done using the following financial statements. If you take long-term analysis, profitability analysis, capital structure analysis, financial position analysis, future prospectus. So if you take profitability analysis, income statement, capital structure analysis, balance sheet, financial position, both income statement and balance sheet, future perspective balance sheet, and income statement. So these are the things you can come up with. These are the analysis you can done for short-term analysis and long-term analysis. You can come out with kind of ratios, or you can come out with some value, and you can take the financial decision whether you want to go for short-term analysis or long-term analysis for the investment, or you can opt for any kind of capital things and so on. So this is all about type 4 analysis based on the objective, whether you are going for short term or whether you are going for long term investment or a kind of thing. Fine. So this is what all about short term, long term analysis. Thank you. Thank you all.